Alright everyone, so we're gonna do a video at the factory. We're actually at the factory right now. I'm not saying exactly how we get in, but it involves throwing the trucks we have over this restriction device. Yeah, a fence. Yeah, it's just a little obstacle. But yeah, this happened. I regret it very much. I ended up snapping some welds here and there. Yeah, but what I've decided to do, I'm gonna go ahead and make a montage for you guys while I'm welding and fixing this thing. So anyway, sit back, relax, enjoy the collection of footage. Yeah, don't forget to like the video. Enjoy, everyone. Alright everyone, so thanks for watching. Technically at the moment, I haven't finished the video yet. Hopefully I get that done real soon. But anyway, I'd like to thank you guys for supporting the channel. It means a lot to me, especially for you guys to make it to the end of the video. And me and Ducky over here got something to show you guys. So if you guys want to support the channel even further, We actually have a website. You can get sweatshirts, t-shirts, stickers. Yeah, so here's the website right here, everyone. Got our homepage right here. This I just started working on probably a month ago. Right now, it's still a work in progress, but I got a lot of the old designs on here, like our VP logos, the Haywire one, Duck Nitro, of course. This design I just finished right here, though, the factory hoodie. It's got the LST on the back with the factory. And we got sticker sheets, too, just to let you guys know. Yeah, but there's the website if you guys want to support even more. You're not obligated to do so, but I like to give you guys an opportunity to. I do have some good stuff. I'll toot my own horn. This hat right here is pretty sweet. It's expensive, but, you know, what's not expensive these days, right? Yeah, everyone, so thank you so much for watching. Wintertime's coming up, which means I'm going to be putting out more videos. Kind of wish it was the other way around, but hey, what am I going to do, right? Yeah, and I got to fix the trophy truck still. It's still broken. It's probably going to stay like that for a while, unfortunately. But yeah, I forgot to mention back here, obviously we got the LST, but we got the LST2 right here. This is actually the first time I'm showing it in a video. I've already had that for way too long, so I got to get this thing running. All right, last update. I got this Pro Tech charger thing right here. Yeah, my old charger doesn't do lipos. And I picked up these lipos right here. Might do some electric stuff, who knows. Anyway, guys, so that's me signing off. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that little montage. Sorry I couldn't get a video with this thing running. I barely run this thing. It's like broken. All right, thank you, and goodbye.